How to send money from Binance to Revolut. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to send money from Binance to Revolut app. After you open up your phone, go and open up your Binance app. After you open Binance, go to Assets. So after you open Asset like this now, go to Withdraw. So from this Withdraw, tap on this Withdraw again. So in this option now, go and select the coin you want to withdraw. So for me, let's say I want to withdraw USDT, LTC. There's different coin. Just go and select the one you want to withdraw. For me, I will use BTC. After you select the BTC you want to withdraw to your Revolut app, so just tap on this Send via crypto network. So from this option now, it will ask you to add in the address and the network of the coin you want to withdraw. So from this now, go and open up now your Revolut app and tap on the receiving section. From there, you can be able to see different coins. So from the section now, go and select the coin you want to withdraw. So for me, I've selected the BTC. So after you copy the BTC address or the USDT address, and make sure you select the correct network. So after you copy the address from the Revolut, just long press your hand and paste in the address in this option. So tap on this option to select the network that you selected in your Revolut app. So now all you have to do now, go and specify the amount. After you specify the amount, now if I tap on this withdraw button, I can be able now to receive my money into my Revolut account. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.